G'day folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Showers have contracted mainly to far north Queensland, and the rest of the state shouldn't be bothered by any threat of rain until at least Sunday. A cool, dry change will soon start bringing our temperatures down, so prepare for a sunny Saturday with a nippy start. Today's top temperature in Toowoomba was 21 degrees after a low of 8 early this morning. Most other stations showed a comparable trend. Now let's look at the satellite loop. It's getting less interesting every day. It's almost blank in fact, but you can see that there's a big field of cumulus cloud just offshore, so some showers are still running parallel to the exposed coast. Very few now. They've nearly all contracted to the coast north of about Ingham, and that includes the Cassowary coast where it's still showering, and even the odd one going through Cairns. That will be basically the pattern for the next few days until Sunday. We did get a little bit of cloud over the Darling Downs as well, as a dry change is currently coming through. Now, for today's chart, you can see firstly we've got a high sitting just on top of Rockhampton almost, and that's made a light wind situation over most of southern Queensland, basically exposing many places to some early morning fog. You can see behind that we've got a fairly large high that's already pushing that drier southwesterly wind into inland districts, soon to reach the coast. On tomorrow's chart it does reach the coast. The cold front moves offshore. There's still a bit of a trough extending from it. Temperatures start to drop. On the outlook chart, it's going to be quite nippy at night over the weekend and fine basically throughout except the far tropical north. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. We've got a sunny day coming, but some light frost on the Granite Belt to start it. 21 degrees at top for Dalby, Gundawindi 20, Toowoomba 19, Warwick 6 up to 20. For the southeast coast, fine and mostly sunny, Gatton 24 degrees, 25 for Ipswich, 24 at Brisbane. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, no rain forecast for the next 7 days, or at least the chances are very slight. Brace for some chilly nights this weekend, but days should be warm and mostly sunny. For Warwick, there's a good chance of getting frost over the weekend. You can see the minimum temps are pretty low, down to 1 degree Sunday, Monday morning. For Dalby, it's a pretty dry period ahead. There might be a few clouds every now and again, but you can see the probability of rain is pretty much zero. And that's all for tonight, folks. Don't forget the eclipse of the blood moon starts tonight in about an hour and finishes just before 11. So get out there and enjoy it. Fingers crossed the sky stays clear for the whole show. Catch you tomorrow, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company. Catch you tomorrow.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, and you can catch up on our page on 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.
Tonight, a 7 News exclusive, a notorious child killer's